triangle ABC is plotted on the coordinate grid shown below. What is the area in square units of a triangle ABC? Now you're looking at this and saying, I can't do this. I want to be able to view this like this, where A is at the very tippy top and B is right there and C is there. Because I know the area of a triangle is half times base times height. And so like you would be the base and you would be the height. Now the base is the base because it's a horizontal flat line. Well, wait a minute. You up here are a horizontal flat line. And I can find out the length of that by counting how many boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is my base. And my base is 7. All right, well, that doesn't help me, you're thinking, because I like to look over here and view that straight uppy-downy part as my height. Well, wait a minute. This is up and down, so why can't this be my height? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that does work. So 4 is my height and 7 is my base. So we can use that information to do area equals 1/2 of base, which I called 7, times height, which I called 4. You run to a calculator, you multiply out 1/2 times 7 times 4. That's going to give you 14. So we have 14 square units. The answer is going to be A.